Are you wondering if YouTube TV's price includes taxes and fees? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and show you exactly what you'll be paying when you subscribe. If you're trying to budget for your streaming services, you'll want to hear this. YouTube TV's advertised price does not include taxes and fees, which means your final bill will likely be higher than the base rate. For example, as of now, YouTube TV's monthly subscription is $72.99, but depending on your location, additional taxes and regulatory fees can add several dollars to your total cost. These extra charges vary by state or region, so the amount you pay may differ from someone in another area. One thing to note is that YouTube TV has been more transparent about these fees compared to some traditional cable providers, but it's still important to factor them into your budget. To get an estimate of your total monthly cost, you can check the billing section during the sign-up process, where taxes and fees are calculated based on your location. If this video helped you understand whether YouTube TV's price includes taxes and fees, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.